I'm praying senior friend is leaving my lord for outstation. Can it be taken up as first item, my lord? Item 44, my lord. This is my lord, education matter, my lord. As the division based one cannot take up this matter, my lord. This has been listed before lordship.
What is the urgency?
Urgency is that, my lord, I am working as the in-charge headmaster of principal of the school, but my lord, by the impugn order, my lord, I have been directed to be removed, and this matter was filed in the month of March, my lord.
Wait for a few minutes. Mr. Justice, you cannot pick up that.
Cannot take up this.
Or not inconvenient, my lordship, we can fix it on Monday, my lord.
Wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. Because this is not the regular bench for that
Yes,
purpose.
Yes,
So-
yes, my lord.
That's why, ma'am.
Yes, next item. Wait for a few minutes, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, please. I get to mention item number 8, my lord. This matter has become infectious, my lord.
Why?
Because, my lord, it was directed to, my lord, to restart the name of the petitioner, my lord, and he has already restarted, my lord.
Do you have a copy?
Yes, my lord, I have, my lord, filed an additional affidavit, my lord.
Item 8. Just let the mentions be over. We'll pass an order.
My
Wait for
lord,
you.
Lordship, Lordship, I am praying for listing on the electoral matter, Lordship, it is IL, Lordship.
It was left over.
Yes, Lordship. So on Monday or
Monday to not possible. Tomorrow being. Wednesday.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 45, Lordship. With consent of the petitioner, Lordship, I am for the respondent number 6, Lordship. This matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks. Mr. Arguing counsel, Mr. I. Chaudhary is out of station, Lordship. Yesterday, we have also submitted an application in this regard, Lordship.
Have you informed the?
Yes, Lordship, they are present.
Lordship, I am there for the appellant, Lordship. Actually, in this matter also have come before the regular bench, Lordship. So I'm praying, Lordship, the matter may be fixed on 29th if it is something inconvenient. Or Lordship, I'll make the mention before the regular court, your Lordship.
What will you do?
Lordship.
We'll adjourn for a week.
Lordship.
Then you make a mention before.
Perfect.
On the prayer of the council for the party. Matter is adjourned for a week. Thereafter you do the next.
Much obliged, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Item number 3, my lord.
Hmm.
Whether I am praying for an adjournment for a day, my lord.
Wait for your turn, Mister. We'll do it.
May I please, your lordship, I pray for adjournment or item number 33.
Wait for your turn. We'll pass an order.
Lordship, I beg to mention the leftover matter on Tuesday could not be listed yesterday or and today. So looking after the urgency, please list those matter on next week. Item 7 to 11 on
Give us the number, you make a mention memo. If you have the mention, memo,
I will-
then only consider.
I will give it.
In proper format, you make a mention, we'll consider.
Obliged.
Mr. Rod. Mr. Singh. We'll adjourn for the day. Pencil will change. There will not be any,
On Monday, my lord.
we're not giving any date.
My lord,
Right.
that's some urgency. Can it be fixed on Monday, my lord? Because my lord, it was fixed on 8th of April.
Will not
but
say
it was wrongly tied
We'll not.
as 8/5.
On the prayer of the council for the parties. Matter is adjourned for the day.
Yeah.
Do the next.
In this case, my lord, lordship may kindly peruse the order dated 21/11, my lord, 19. And my additional affidavit, my lord.
Heard Mr. DA council appearing for the petition. And any CGC here? No. MS A Verma, standing council home department, Assam, for the respondent numbers 2 and 3. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma. Additional senior government Assam, for the respondent number 4. And Mr. A.I. Ali, standing council election commission of India, for the respondent number 5. Agree by the order dated 17/01/2017, passed by the Learned Foreigners Tribunal Court, Dorong, Mongoldoi, in FT Court, case number 930/2015.
Page 37 million.
By which the tribunal opined that the petitioner has entered into territory of India, Union Bracket Assam, after 1966, but prior to 24/03/1971. And accordingly directed him to register his name as per the provisions of section 6, Union Bracket capital A, Union Bracket numerical 3 of the Citizenship Act 1955 as amended. Observing that his name will be deleted from the voter list for a period of 10 years. Comma. The petitioner has filed this writ petition against the said order dated 17/01/2017. The petitioner also preferred review petition number 15/2017 before the Foreigners Tribunal Court, Dorong, Mongoldoi, which was dismissed, which was rejected by an order dated 04/05/2017. By filing an affidavit on 21/01/2020, the petitioner while issuing notice, the court by order is the 05/06/2017 granted interim protection to the petitioner that he shall not be taken into custody and shall not be deported from India, and also granted him bail, directing him to appear before the Superintendent of Police, Boda, Dorong, within 15 days from the date of the said order dated 05/06/2017. During pendency of this petition, the petitioner filed an additional affidavit on 21/01/2020. Mr. Kayum, no, now still nothing
But I filed an additional affidavit, Milord.
that where we're relaying,
Page 43
but
million.
there is nothing.
It is
There
a
has to be
form,
round seal, no? By the office authority.
it is a form, Milord, and it was submitted, Milord, before the authority. Page 45 is the one. The rest of it.
By filing an additional affidavit. The petitioner submitted his application in form, FORM, capital Roman 18. On 28/07/2017. before the A Form 18 under Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955 on 28/07/2017 before the Special Foreigners Registering Authority, Superintendent of Police Dorong, Mongoldoy, seeking registration of his name in pursuance of the order dated 17/01/2017 passed by Learned Foreigners Tribunal Court, Dorong, Mongoldoy in FT Court case number 930/2015 that was referred by the Superintendent of Police Border, Dorong, Mongoldoy in on 24/03/2000 in IMDT case number 100/1999. It is submitted by Mr. Kayum, since the petitioner has already submitted a necessary application seeking his registration pursuant to the order of the opinion dated 17/01/2017 of the Learned Foreigners Tribunal Court, Dorong, Mongoldoy, noted above. He is not pressing this petition on instruction. The petitioner on instruction submitted, the petitioner is not pressing this petition. That's it. Accordingly, this writ petition being not pressed, as not pressed, being in plus sorts, stand dismissed. However, the Home Department of the state, as well as the Superintendent of Police Border, Dorong, Mongoldoy, shall verify as to whether the petitioner on 28/07/2017 have registered himself before the special FRRO come Superintendent of Police Border, Dorong, as provided under Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955 or not. If so, the name of the petitioner shall be duly registered as provided under Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1995. And if not, the Superintendent of Police Border, Dorong, Mongoldoy will be able to take appropriate action in accordance with law.
Published.
Registry shall return the records of application number 930/2015 to the Foreigners Tribunal, Dorong Court, Dorong, Mongoldoy, court which that was called for, along with a copy of this order and a copy of the additional affidavit filed on 21/01/2020 in this petition, along with the annexes appended thereto. The copy of the statement that was called for by order dated 05/06/2007.
Published.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, here the petitioner was earlier declared to be an Indian national, Lordship. And subsequently, there was another proceeding, Lordship. And in this proceeding, he has been declared to be a foreigner of the post 25/371 scheme, Lordship.
Where is the earlier order?
Earlier order, Lordship will find at page 25, Lordship.
Please take your seat.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Ahmed, counsel appearing for the petition. MS A. Verma, standing counsel, Home Department, for the response number 2 and 6. Mr. A. I. Ali, standing counsel, Election Commission of India, for the response number 3. And Mr. P. Sharma, additional ceremonial exam, for the response number 5. In a reference being made by the Superintendent of Police Board, wrong Mongol. In reference number FT case number 831/2012. The Learned Fairness Tribunal, Court Dorong Mongoldoi, by its opinion dated 22/12/2023. After hearing the parties and considering the evidence adduced by the petitioner, declared him or opined him to be a foreigner who had illegally entered into territory of India in Bekat Assam from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/03/1971. Being aggrieved with the said opinion dated 22/12/2023, the petitioner has filed this writ petition on 10/05/2024. Petitioner contended that in a similar proceeding against him, disposed of earlier on 28/01/2015 by the Foreigners Tribunal First Dorong Mongoldoi in FT case number 62/2014, opined him to be an Indian national. And though the said fact was brought to the notice of the Foreigners Tribunal Court Dorong Mongoldoi in said FT case number 925/THL/2015. Yeah, I got to me case number 2 The tribunal, in its opinion, dated 22/12/2023, did not consider the same in proper perspective. Issue rule returnable by 6/6 as such and such, no formal notice already. Petitioner shall serve a copy of this petition to Mr. R.K. Deputy and Deputy LCI for the response number 1, but electorate. Petitioner shall take steps on the response number 4 by register positive. Superlative operative on all before 22nd. Call for the records of rule to issue reply. Call for the records of FT Court Case number 925 oblique DHL oblique 2015. Decided on 22/12/2023 from the Foreigners Tribunal Court, Dorong, Mongolway. As well as the records of FT case number 62 oblique 2014. Decided on 28/01/2015 from the Foreigners Tribunal First, Dorong, Mongolway. After step, thank you. The petitioner shall not be taken into custody and shall not be deported from the territory of India pursuant to the Impune Opinion dated 22/12/2023. Subject to the condition right to appear before Superintendent of Police Order in Dorong on or before 31st of May. So condition. Yes, Mr. Rashid.
First, my lord, it was filed earlier, my lord, which I withdrew with liberty, as because there are some, my lord, the technical mistake in the annexures. So, my lord, now I have corrected all this, my lord, and filed this petition. There's order, your lordship's order also have an next, my lord, here. That is 69, your lordship's order. Earlier, I withdrew, my lord, the same, and there are some mistake in the, my lord, the annexure. So now I have corrected the same and filed, my lord, and your lordship's order, my lord, page 69. And your lordship is specially directed to annex this order. Page 41, my lord, impugned order. Here, my lord.
Lordship, some pages are missing in my petition. After 30, my pagination is at 43. I don't have the in between 13 pages.
Mr. Rashid, if you have an extra copy, give it to her.
Then I'll,
If you do not have, we'll take it up next week, Tuesday or Wednesday.
my lord.
Find out.
That is up to 13. 43.
Sorry.
13 pages, 9.
Sorry, madam.
Give me something else.
Yeah,
Heard Mr. Rashid, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And MS A Verma, standing counsel from department for the response number 245. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, additional engineer of Assam, for respondent number 3. And Mr. A.I.L. Standing Council Election Commission of India, for respondent number 6. Dissatisfied with the impugned opinion dated 02/02/2022 passed by learned Foreigners Tribunal 9th Borpeta in FT 9th within bracket BPT case number 11/2018. By which the petitioner has been opined to win foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946 as well as an illegal migrant of post 1971 stream as per provision of section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955. Petitioner has filed this petition. Since the impugned order dated 02/02/2022 have been passed by the Foreigners Tribunal 9th Borpeta. You are of the considered opinion that the respondent number 8, Foreigners Tribunal number 9th Borpeta, is not a necessary party for proper adjudication of this petition. Accordingly, the respondent number 8 noted above be deleted from the constitution of this petition. Registry shall do the needful according. Before we proceed further, we want to look or to peruse the records of FT 9th BPT case number 11/2018, wherein the learned tribunal passed the impugned opinion dated 02/02/2022. Call for the records of defendants. Already place this matter for motion immediately on receipt of relevant records from the concerned Foreigners Tribunal.
Madam. Earlier, my junior would, to some extent, my lord, in this case.
Ms. Odhikari has already submitted. Mr. Yasuddin, what else you want to add?
My lord, so for document, my lord, this petitioner adduced all the voter list, my lord. Those are certified copies, my lord. And my lord, mother, who, my lord, 65 years old, my lord, she deposed before the court, my lord. My lord, this petitioner is the son, my lord. So, my lord, well, clearly there is a link, my lord. What I am submitting, my lord, since it is come in motion, my lord, let it
We
be.
have heard. If you want to add some
Lord,
2-3 points, we can consider. Rest we'll do.
My lord, regarding certified copy, my lord, those are my lord certified copy, but that was not proof, my lord, who issued this, my lord. But so far, my lord, voter list, my lord, these are certified copy, my admissible, my lord. And regarding, my lord, one certificate, my lord, which was, my lord, this is the birth certificate, my lord. My lord, in fact, this is issued by, my lord, Mukha Panjiyakar Sohi, my lord. And that was countersigned by, my lord, Jamnamukh Gaon Panchayat. So, the Gaon Panchayat, my lord, it was countersigned. But it is, my lord,
Do you
from.
want that proper inquiry should be done with that particular birth certificate?
Well, that may be, my lord.
Do you want?
Yes, my lord, because my lord,
Just
so
show
far,
us from the birth certificate.
lordship. If inquiry is done, my lord, I have no objection, my lord.
In that case, we do not know what will be the outcome.
Page 56, my lord. This is vernacular, my lord. And Gaubra also examined, my lord, in this case.
Just tell us where is the book number, issue number.
My lord,
Anyone can approach any office and get a certificate like that, birth certificate. You have your son's daughter's birth certificate probably.
My
You
lord,
know what should be there in the birth certificate.
my lord, that is issued on, my lord, this is issued on, my lord.
Where is the book number and the
My lord, is the form number is there, my lord.
form?
Vernacular-
So as you know, form has to be there.
But sign and
Don't
seal is
compare
there.
it form and this. Where is the memo number? Where is the book number? How many folios are to be there in a birth certificate?
My lord, that
Tell
is,
us.
my lord, later on, my
Mr.
lord.
Gyasuddin, kindly tell us
It may be earlier, my lord, 86, it is issued on, my lord.
86 or whatever. Tell
That
us.
time may not, my lord, like today's, my lord, birth certificate, my lord. My
Where is
lord,
the seal?
Ours,
Where is the seal of the authority when who has given the signature?
my lord. In the top, my lordship may kindly pay to
We
the
are not
vernacular.
asking for the top
Yes, my lord.
on his signature.
So if lordship please.
Name
let
of
it
that
be-
person whose signature is there.
Yes, my lord.
Dharani Nath Fukon has been deleted. Somebody has struck off.
My lord, I can't say like this, my lord, because lordship may call a report, my lord.
We will not call for. We will be satisfied
Mhm.
whatever is material available before the tribunal.
And my lord,
Probably you are aware. Probably you are aware what happened earlier. There are many
my
judgments.
lord,
Many were in jail with
my
regard to
lord,
this birth
fact-
certificate.
to
Initially, in
fact-
time of
it's
the matters.
depend upon the case to case, my lord. It may not be, my lord.
That is up to you to prove, Mr. Gyasuddin, before the tribunal, not before the High Court.
Lordship, can you see my mother evidence, my lord, before the court, my lord? My lord, who is Indian, my lord, and she deposed before the court, my lord. My lord, Gaubra also, my lord, deposed before the court, my lord. Lordship, page 26, my lord. My lord, she is 65 years and her name is in the voter list in 1971, my lord. There is no reference against my mother, my lord. And she, my lord, before the court, one tribunal deposed, my lord. And regarding my lord, linkage, my lord, my name in 89, my name also appear with my father, my lord. And in land document also, my lord. After mutation, my name is there, my lord. Gaubra also deposed, my lord. This Gaubra age is, my lord, 52 years. And he stated that he know from the childhood, my lord.
Personal knowledge
Yes, my lord.
that do. Where from you have given the certificate? Do you maintain any register?
That Gaubra, my lord.
Tell
Generally
us.
maintain it, my lord. He deposed before the court, my lord. Page 30, my lord. And my lord, this petitioner also cross-examined, my lord. In cross-examination, my lord, nothing suggestion like, my lord, I have exhibited 17 number of documents, my
Read
lord.
Muslim Mandal, full bench decision, you will know what is the requirement. Don't make submission without reading the judgments.
And there is a consistency in name also, my lord, since 1966. His father name appeared, my lord. 70 also, father name, mother name, my lord. And 1989, when he was aged about 18 years, his names appeared there, my lord. And there is a constituency voter list, my lord, Bordjari Majgaon. My lord, my prayer is, my lord, let my lord record also come, my lord, let I. Lordship may fix it for admission hearing, my lord. I
No
will,
point. We have heard her on that day.
Lordship, that is correct, my lord. But, so for document is, my lord, sufficient document I have given before the tribunal, my lord. My lord, first part is my page 21, my lord. Of the petitioner, my lord. I have enclosed with my evidence all relevant documents of Indian citizens, exhibit 1 to 17, my lord. My lord, nothing pointed here, my lord, in cross part, these documents are fake or my lord. So I have discharged my burden, my lord. And finding of the tribunal is, my lord, some discrepancy is the name of my grandfather, my lord. And lordship knows Supreme Court, my lord, already, my lord, had that discrepancy in name is not a matter, my lord. Some to that extent, my lord.
Read that judgment of the Honorable Apex Court very clearly.
Lordship.
You can read Assamese.
Yes, my lord.
From your written statement,
Lordship.
kindly tell us where you have stated name of your paternal uncle, your brothers and sisters.
Oh, my lord, this is not there. I have done for the written statement, my
It
lord.
is not there in written.
But this
Now just
submission may
tell
not,
us,
my lord, settle for this proper right of citizen, my
Now,
lord. In my evidence, I have stated, my lord.
if you do not state in your written reply or written statement, can you say in your evidence?
My lord.
What is the law in this regard?
So, my lord, it is correct that in written statement, it should be there, my lord.
So
But
it has to be there
let-
because you see, it is the proceedee who has the knowledge of everything about her family.
so, my lord,
Right.
so for merit of the case, my
So-
lord, regarding, my lord, the
It
Indian
may so
citizen-
happen, it may
Lordship.
so happen that if she informs her parental side, her
Lordship.
brothers, sisters, another case may crop up, so may remain
lord,
silent.
They are
We do not
the,
know.
this petitioner is
But it
illiterate
is the
person, my
duty
lord, may not be
of the
knowledge of
proceedee.
council, my lord.
Don't blame the council because.
I am not
knowledge of the
blaming, my lord.
proceedee. Don't blame.
But- But in her evidence, part, my lord, she brought, my lord. My lord, page 26, my lord. She stated about her sons,
That is why I want to know.
lordship.
Read page number 22.
22. Yes, my lord. মোর নাম মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল মজিদ, বয়স 43 বছর, পিতা মৃত আব্দুল লতিফ ঠিকনা গাঁও বৰজাৰী মাজগাঁও ডবকা ও থানা যমুনামুখ জিলা হোজাই অসম। মোৰ জন্ম বৰজাৰী মাজগাঁৱতে হৈছিল। ইয়াৰ বাহিৰে আমাৰ বংশ পৰিয়ালৰ লোকসকলৰ বিষয়ে মোৰ মা মোছাম্মদ ৰহিমা খাতুনে DW2 হিচাপে খাকি দিছে আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ নাম ঠিকনা ইত্যাদি দিছে। বিতংভাৱে কোৱা হৈছে আৰু মোৰ ক'বলগীয়া সেইখিনিয়ে। মই আজিলৈ নিয়মীয়া স্তৰে ভোটদান কৰি আছো। মোৰ সাক্ষ্যৰ লগত মোৰ ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিকৰ কৰ্তৃপক্ষ সম্পৰ্কে বিভিন্ন নথিপত্ৰবোৰ পৰা 17 দাখিল কৰা হৈছে।
Now, there is no statement of your brothers and sisters in your written statement,
Lordship.
right?
Yes. That was missing my written statement.
And in your cross also, you could not name them. You said your mother has said.
Yes, my lord. And mother was crossing amendment.
Listen. Come to page number 37.
My lord. Voter list 1966, my lord. My lord, Abdul Latif, Rahima Khatun, Habibullah, Abdul Latif, age 28, 23.
Now, please come.
Lordship.
To page number 28.
28. Lordship. May I read mine? মোৰ নাম মোছাম্মদ ৰহিমা খাতুন, বয়স 65 বছৰ, স্বামীৰ নাম মৃত আব্দুল লতিফ, ঠিকনা বৰজাৰী মাজগাঁও, থানা যমুনামুখ, জিলা হোজাই, অসম। মোৰ শহুৰৰ নাম মৃত হাবিবুল্লাহ আৰু শাহুৰ নাম মৃত ৰহিমা খাতুন।
ৰকিমা খাতুন। কে?
সৰি মাই লৰ্ড, ৰকিমা খাতুন। তেওঁলোকৰ বৰজাৰী মাজগাঁৱৰ মূল বাসিন্দা আছিল। মোৰ বিয়া হোৱাৰ 4 বছৰ পিছতো মোৰ শাহুৰৰ মৃত্যু হৈছিল। মোৰ বিয়াৰ সময়ত বয়স 18 বছৰ চলিছিল আৰু মোৰ শহুৰ মৃত্যুৰ 10 বছৰ পিছত ঢুকাইছিল।
Next,
my lord. মোৰ স্বামী 2জন ককাই ভাই আছিল আৰু বৰ্তমানে 2 মৃত। তেওঁলোকৰ মৃত্যুৰ আগলৈকে একেলগে একেখন বাসগৃহতে বৰজাৰী মাজগাঁৱতেই বসবাস কৰিছিল। ডাঙৰজনৰ নাম মৃত আব্দুল মন্নান আৰু মোৰ স্বামী আছিল আব্দুল মন্নানৰ ডাঙৰজনৰ নাম মৃত আব্দুল মন্নান আৰু মোৰ স্বামী
হৈছিল 2000 চনত।
Yes, man. আব্দুল মন্নানৰ মৃত্যু হৈছিল 2000 চনত আৰু মোৰ স্বামীৰ মৃত্যু হৈছিল 2002 চনত।
Okay.
হৈছিল। মোৰ ল'ৰা 5জন।
Wait.
Yes, man.
Here she said that her husband and his elder brother,
Yes, man.
Abdul Mannan,
lived
together in the same house,
Yes, man.
who expired in the year 2000, and her husband expired in 2002. Come to page number 37 now again.
Yes, my lord.
House number?
Here, house number is, my lord, house number, ghar number 73.
What is the names of the elder brother of the projected father of the
Abdul Latif
petition?
Rahima Khatun. My lord,
Come to page number 39.
Lordship. 39. Yes, my lord. 73, Abdul Latif Rahima Khatun.
That's why I'm asking you.
My lord,
Now,
because this is related to my father and mother, my lord.
Next.
When I apply for
Page number 45.
My lord.
You have just read,
Yes, my lord. This is my lord the Abdul Latif, Abdul Majid, Rahima Khatun.
that's right. What happened from 1970 to 1989?
There is a gap, my lord. I have seen my lord 8 years. But I have to verify whether this document is there or not. But my lord, later on, there is a my lord, it's evident that my lord, this
That is
petition.
why I'm asking you, both the brothers,
My lord, whether this application was made for the
both the
Abdul Latif
brothers
or
live
Abdul Rahim.
together in the same house.
Certified copy, my lord.
No, that is why I'm asking you, Mr. Goyal.
This
It
is
is
the
your
certified
case.
copy, whether it is applied for my parents or me, I don't know,
The
my lord.
same house has to have the everyone. Now come to page number 51. Your mother said that father expired in 2002.
Lordship,
This is a voter list of 2005.
right. But sometimes it is not corrected, it is come as it is, my lord. After death also, my lord. So, my lord, this voter list is certified copy, my lord. And my lord, here house number has been changed, my lord. But village is the same village, my lord. Borjari Majga.
Come to page number 62.
My lord. Yes, my lord.
Before that, we come to page number 65.
65.
This seal deed of which date?
This is my lord 85.
80.
The seal is 85 in the year.
Hmm.
2385.
Pertaining to which land?
My lord, this land is 64 Abdul Latif. My father purchased some land, my lord.
That is different. We are asking at page 65.
65.
Hmm.
My lord, 65 the schedule, my lord.
See the date there? That is why I'm asking you.
We had two schedule, my lord.
Hmm.
First one, 4th, second, 5th subsidy.
Your projected grandfather purchased some land
Yes, my lord.
1960.
One land document is there, my lord.
That has nothing to do because you have not produced any revenue receipt or you have not proved anything thereafter.
Lordship.
Did you prove these land documents
That was not.
from anyone from the revenue office?
No, that was not examined, my lord.
So it's
But
meaningless.
so far, voter list is, my lord. I have
That
seen,
is
my
why-
lord, there
the
is some.
voter list, that is why I'm
consistency
asking
of voter
you.
list, my lord.
That
Because
is, we are
base,
asking you what happened from 1970 to 1989.
that gap maybe, my lord, may not be, because, my lord, what happened, my lord, when this in lower court, my lord, they are depend upon the 66 voter
Yes,
list, then
Mr.
71,
Sharma.
my lord. And thereafter, my lord, the petitioner name in whose voter list.
Say, Mr. Gasuddin,
Lord.
we have already discussed on that day.
Yes,
Yes,
my lord, may
Mr.
not
Sharma.
executed order, my lord. But my lord, so far, my lord, linkage is concerned, my lord, voter list, my lord, those are certified copies, my lord.
That is why I'm asking you.
And my lord,
See, we would have not said anything if you had proved before the tribunal that after 1970, other voter lists continuously up to 1989.
that 8 years voter list, my lord.
Listen, don't jump. With the same house number would have considered, right?
Right.
That the tribunal committed mistake in rejecting your voter list of 1989, showing your father and mother there. But there is no voter list before the tribunal from 1970 to 1989 for 18 years. That's all. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship.
Mr. Gyasuddin, tell us, voting age 18 years
Lordship.
came into effect from which date?
My lord, pardon, my lord.
Earlier it was 21 years, the
Yes.
voting age.
Yes, my lord.
From which date the voting age 18 years came into force?
18 years, my lord.
What is the date?
My lord, exact date I have not.
We do not know. When this 89 voter list was prepared?
59, my lord.
First January.
87, 80,
Right?
89, yes, my lord.
The 89
The
March
89, yes,
it was given effect.
lord.
Voter list was prepared when? Voter list
Just
was prepared
three-
when?
My lord, in
Is
18,
there any voter list?
yes, 89, 1989. So, my lord, before 88, my lord,
So how your name is there in the voter list of 89?
so it's
You are 18 years only.
18 years old.
Given effect, the voter lists are normally done in published in January. Not prior. You have cast vote this time. When the draft voter list, final voter list was published
Yes, my lord, before, my lord,
in January.
yes, my lord.
Right.
So, my lord, this mistake, may
Anyway, we are not on that. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
lordship,
First of all, Lordship, although procedure relies on some footage, Lordship, Lordship has already pointed out, Lordship, since 1970 to 1989, and for 19 years, Lordship, in between voter list are not there, Lordship. So, Lordship, continuous presence of the petitioner as per section 6A2 of the Citizenship Act, Lordship, it was, which is a mandate of this section, Lordship, it was not there in this case, Lordship. Then, Lordship, to link up the procedure with his projected further, Lordship, procedure relies on the Gaubra certificate, Lordship, at page page 33, Lordship. What was written, Lordship? Abdul Majid, পিতা মৃত আব্দুল লতিফ, গাঁও বৰজাৰী মাজগাঁও, থানা যমুনামুখ। উক্ত মানুহজন মোৰ ৰাজহ গাঁৱৰ বাসিন্দা হোৱাটো সত্য। উক্ত মানুহজনক মই ভালদৰে চিনি পাওঁ। তেওঁৰ নাম 90 নং যমুনামুখ বিধানসভা সমষ্টিৰ 2014 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত ঘৰৰ নং 122 আৰু 421 খণ্ড নং 11 অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত আছে। উক্ত Lordship. Lordship, it was issued on 28/2017 after initiation of the proceeding, Lordship. Again, Lordship, state emblem is embossed at the top of the certificate, Lordship. So this is not an admissible document, Lordship. Apart from that, what evidence Gaura has relied page 30, Lordship, given, Lordship, before the tribunal. My name is Debokanto Bora. Page 30. My name is Sri Debokanto Bora, age 52 years, son of late Nagendra Chandra Bora, address village Erakopili, PS Jamnamukh district, Hosai, Assam. I am government Gaura of Erakopili and Borjari Mazgao. I know the opposite party of the case, Muhammad Abdul Majid, son of late Abdul Latif, who is the resident of village Borjari Mazgao. UNPS Jamnamukh at present district Hosai. At present, his age is 45 years. As he is a resident of my locality, so I affixing his photograph, I have given a certificate. I have known to opposite party since his childhood. I have well known to say the opposite party, that is Muhammad Abdul Majid, that he is an illiterate person. The aforesaid statement is true to my knowledge, and I have not concealed anything. I am not aware or now. I am not aware or know whether any notice was issued earlier against him as foreigner. Being government Gaura, I do not know anything in this regard. This certificate, which was issued by me, marked as document A. Lordship, that certificate was not based on contemporaneous record, Lordship, maintained by Gaura, and Lordship, that certificate was given on the basis of personal knowledge, which is not acceptable in evidence, Lordship. Again, Lordship, procedure relies on a document, Lordship. How he is getting this document, I don't know, Lordship. This is issued by Public Health Department, birth certificate, Lordship. And it was জন্মৰ তাৰিখ 10/8/1974, and it was issued on, Lordship, something 1986, September 1986, signed on, and it was signed by Secretary Jamnamukh Gaon Panchayat. And Lordship, here, right hand side, Lordship, পঞ্জীয়নৰ তাৰিখ 29/8/2006.
No, that the certificate, even if it is there, it was not proved by any issuing authority.
Yes, yes, Lordship. And Lordship, my humble submission is that, Lordship, this is a fake document, Lordship. It was prepared by proceeding for his suit
We are not
purpose.
on fake or whatever, but thing is, this is not proved by the issuing authority.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Then, Lordship, Page 62 62 is the Jamabandi of survey village lordship. It is of post 71 document lordship. So it is not, cannot be accepted as lordship.
No.
Is there?
Else.
Lordship will kindly see page 62. সহকারী বন্দোবস্ত প্ৰাধিকাৰী সরজমিন চিঠাৰ
That's in 1977.
Yes, lordship, and it was not by way of inheritance lordship, it is by way of purchase lordship. Khorida Dokol Sutri.
You have seen that?
Yes, lordship. So it cannot be accepted as a document to prove a link with his projected father lordship or grandfather. Then lordship. Then lordship proceeding relies on ration card lordship, and ration law has already been settled regarding that lordship. Ration card cannot be treated as a proof of citizenship lordship. 2017 4 GLR 295 Charu Sheikh versus Union of India.
295.
Yes, 2017 4 GLR 295. Para 16 lordship.
There is a judgment of Lordship Justice Manojit Bhuiyan regarding the certificate issued by the Gaon Bureau.
Yes, lordship. I have lordship. And lordship regarding continuous stay lordship, WBC 8779 of 2018 lordship, it was reported lordship, that report and that was not. I am
What's the WBC number?
WBC number 8779 of 2018. Monoduti Nandi.
8779 of
2018.
Mr. Gyasdev, come to page number 33.
33. Yes, my lord.
The certificate of the village hitman.
Yes, my lord.
Down below the sea.
Lordship.
For what purpose it has been issued?
My lord, down below.
মহামান্য আদালতে প্রয়োজন বলে
আদালতত প্রয়োজন বুলি কয়।
কয়।
The reason for issuing of that certificate is that purpose. Okay, you give it to that one, doesn't matter.
Yes, Lord.
The Justice Monojit Bhoy's judgment is there. Detailed judgment regarding the power of the, while it was discussed on the land revenue regulation.
Yes,
Whether
Lordship.
the Gambura can issue such certificate.
I will provide, Lordship.
Is there. Anything else, Mr. Gayasudin?
My lord, I mostly relied upon the voter list.
Oh.
So far gap is concerned, my lord, that gap may, my lord,
Read
maybe
section
some voter
6A.
list, my lord, that may not produce before
Read
the.
section 6A of the 1955 Act, Citizenship Act, what it
Okay.
says. Section 6A, subsection 2 and 3, you'll know.
Lordship.
And Lordship, regarding Lordship, Gaubra certificate, Lordship, I want to rely on this document. This is Lordship, Romila Khatun versus Union of India, WPC 3807/2016. Where it was stated that Lordship, regarding Gaubra certificate, Lordship, it was stated, Lordship, it is tried that documentary evidence would have to be proved on the basis of the record, and the contemporaneous record must substantiate and prove the contents of the document.
That's right.
Yes,
Not
Lordship.
from personal knowledge.
Yes, Lordship. And
That's the law.
yes, Lordship.
My lord, another things, my lord, my mother evidence before the tribunal. She's 65 years old, my lord. Her name
Yes,
itself.
Mr. Sharma, there are two cases, father and mother.
Yes, Lordship.
But in evidence part also, my lord, she stated there is no reference against them.
No, that is the reason we are asking.
Once, my lord, mother is Indian, my lord, how can a son will be, my lord? That's the question. my lord.
One is 1900/19, Lordship, Noor Begum.
Well, my father, my-
1900 of 2019.
Yes, Lordship.
That is the mother or father?
That is mother, Lordship.
What is the father's case?
And father's case is Lordship 4020/2017, WPC. Asia Khatun, Lordship.
That's father. follow করে the officer in charge of Panbari police station to the superintendent of police border district Chirang shall apprise the court about the service of notice on the petitioner. List according. Give it to us, give it to him. About to appear. Yeah, put out of the note. No, interim patient. Difficult cases. 8 বছর পাছত লেখা notice in this case was issued on 19/05/2017. Registry also received the relevant report from the Foreigners Tribunal Lakhimpur that was called for by order dated 19/05/2017. Petitioner received the records of FT case number 3523 from the Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur, that was called for by order 19/05/2017. Though the court by order dated 19/05/2017 called for the records of FT Udin Becket Lakhimpur, case number 2493/2011, disposed of on 11/08/2015 by the Foreigners Tribunal 1st Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur. The same is yet to be received. Registry shall issue reminder for the records of said FT within bracket Lakhimpur case number 2493/2011. Portrait from the Foreigners Tribunal, first Lakhimpur, North Lakhimpur. Issue rule. The petitioner is an interim protection since 1905-2017. As the petitioner has already been declared as a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, he shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Border, Lakhimpur, on or before 7th of June. And on such appearance, so to bail का order and bail in a condition. Copy of this order be furnished to Mr. G. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department. For his onward communication to the Foreigners Tribunal, first Lakhimpur, as well as the Superintendent of Police Border, Lakhimpur.
Lordship, I am getting this read petition number 4271 of 2019. Kabir Khan versus Union of India.
Okay, we'll get it.
WPC 4271 of 2019. Honorable Justice Monojit Bhia and Justice Kulyan Rai Surana.
Decided on.
Date of judgment decided on 16/8/2019. WPC 4271 of 2019.
Okay, it's okay. It ordered Rupam Mantri Pratika to protect it. Notice in this case was issued on 31/05/2017. Registry received the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal, Bongaigaon number 2 of Abhayapuri. Petitioner is on interim protection and interim bail since 31/05/2017. Issue rule. Registry is the matter for hearing on date to be picked by it. Since the petitioner has been declared as a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, he shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Border, Bongaigaon, on or before 7th of June for capturing her biometrics, fingerprints, iris, condition लगा दें, ठीक है? It's same. Notice issued on 02/06/2017. Received the records from the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal 8 Dhubri. It was called for by order dated 02/06/2017. Interim protection, interim bail 02/06/2017. Same order. If we are before Superintendent of Police Border, Dhubri, same date left. Notice is on 05/06/2017. Records received from Finance Tribunal 6, Palpara. Interim protection, interim bail, 05/06/2017. Rule hearing to appear before Superintendent of Police Board of Palpara on or before 7 for capturing her. Okay? 1 hour before 7. Notice issued on 05/06/2017. Received from Finance Tribunal number 5, Morigaon. That was called for on 05/06/2017. Rule hearing. Interim protection, interim bill 5/6/2017 to appear before Superintendent of Police Board at Morigaon. Capturing her, she. Notice issued on 5/6/2017. Finance Tribunal, Borpeta 11. Sorpo.
Number.
Finance Tribunal, Borpeta 11, Sorpo. Interim protection, interim bail 5/6/2017. Rule hearing appear before Superintendent of Police Board at Borpeta on or before 7 for capturing his burden. Okay? For capturing his biometrics and that much. Already on bail, nothing to worry about. Notice 7/6/2017. Records received from Finance Tribunal, Nagaon, Court number 7 at Lanka, Kochai. Interim protection, interim bail 7/6/2017. Rule. Lady to appear before Superintendent of Police Border, Kochai. 7. Notice issued on 19/6/2017. Records from Finance Tribunal, Port Kapuri, that was called for on 19/6/2017. Interim protection, interim bail 19/6/2017. Rule appear before Superintendent of Police Border, Kapuri on or before 7, capturing his foundation. Notice 20/06/2017. Records from Finance Tribunal 10 Kapuri, that was called for by order at the 20/06. Interim protection, interim bail 20/06/2017. Appear before Superintendent of Police Board at Dhubri on or before 7. Notice in this case was issued on 21/06/2017. Records from the Foreigners Tribunal 1 Nalbari. 2106. Interim protection, interim bail 2106. She for capturing her on or before 7th. Winter Police Border, Nalbari. Earlier case or this case. Where is the certificate? When did she expire? Do you have? Heard Mr. M. Khan, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. Z. Sharma, photocopy kori log. Z. Sharma, standing counsel, Home Department, Assam. For the respondent numbers 1, 2 and 4. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, additional senior governor Assam for the respondent number 3. On the basis of a reference made by the Superintendent of Police Border, Dhubri, London Foreigners Tribunal, Port Dhubri, in case number F.T.-4/67/2015. After hearing the parties and considering the evidence adduced by the petitioner, by order dated 15/03/2017, opined the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who entered into territory of India, Assam on or after 25/03/1971. Dissatisfied with the said opinion, dated 15/02/2017, the petitioner filed this writ petition on 19/06/2017, wherein the court on 22/06/2017 issued notice and called for the records of the said FT case from the Foreigners Tribunal, Mamur Port Dhubri. The court on 22/06/2017, while issuing notice, also granted interim protection and interim bail to the petitioner. Mr. A. M. Khan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, on instruction submitted that during pendency of this writ petition, the petitioner Hasena Bibi wife of Saha Alam, Sahalom, alias Saha Alam Khan, daughter of, you will write full, wife of Dr. Syed Ali, Sayed Ali, resident of Dangir Chor, Dangirchar, Police Station Gauripur, District Dhubri, Assam, expired on 05/01/2018, and to that extent, Mr. Khan placed the death certificate of Said Hasina Bibi, issued by the Register of Birth and Death, Geramari Mini Public Health Center, District Dhubri, Assam, on 15/02/2018, with registration number 18/2018. Sharma. এই তিনিটা ফটোকপি কৰি ৰাখিব, এটা ৰেকৰ্ডত, দুটা দুই ৰেকৰ্ডত, আৰু এটা অৰিজিনেল। Since the petitioner expired during pendency of this petition on 15/1/2018, this writ petition being infructuous stands dismissed. The interim protection and interim bail accordingly stands merged with the order. Registry shall return the records of FT case number 4/67/2015 to the Fairness Tribunal, Port Dhubri, portrait, along with a copy of this order and a copy of the death certificate of said Hasina Bibi, placed before the court by Mr. A.M. Khan, Land Counsel, for the petition. Huh? Not required. See, linkage have to prove three further. See, if, what is the time limit for filing substitution petition? We have seen many such cases where the father of the proceeding, the father express, who have been declared as a foreigner, he is legal heirs to approach this court by filing substitution petition. There are many such cases. But see, that is why I'm saying, see, but there is a limit. What is the limit? The procedure expired on 15th of January 2018, and today is which date? It is not that the proceedings family members were not aware of this writ petition. So January 2018 to May 2024, how many years? So even if it is the past any approach to this court for substitution, what will be the outcome? Notice in this case was issued on 21/06/2017. Registry already received the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal 8 Gwalpara that was called for by order dated 21/06/2017. Petitioner is already on interim bail, interim protection and interim bail since 21/06/2017. Rule list for hearing, but condition to petitioner shall appear before the Superintendent of Police border Gwalpara on or before 7 for capturing her, biometrics, iris, fingerprints. Let's forget condition deed. কালি সেইটো ৰেডি কৰি পঠিয়াই দিছিল ছাৰক দেখুৱাই ল'ব Notice in this case was issued on 23/06/2017. Registry already received the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal 10th February. It was called for by order to the 23/06/2017. Petitioner is in interim protection and interim bail since 23/06/2017. Appear before Superintendent of Police Board, Dhubri, one of people, sir. She, huh? Notice in this case was issued on 23/06/2007. Records received from Foreigners Tribunal, Bongaigaon, number 2, Obeyapuri. Called for by order dated 23/06/2017. Interim protection, interim bail, 23/06/2017. To appear before Superintendent of Police Board, Bongaigaon, honor before 7. E. Not sure. Notice in this case was issued on 23/06/2017. Registry also received the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal 5th, Gwalpur, and it was called for by order dated 23/06. Interim protection, interim bail, 23/6. To appear before Superintendent of Police Board, Gwalpara, honor before 7. E. Some notice issued on 10/7/2017. Registry received the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal 6 Silchar. It was called for by order 10/7/2007. Interim protection, interim bail, 10/7/2007. Appear before Superintendent of Police Board, Kachar Silchar, honor before 7. For capturing her. Condition of paper not to be the people that are common. Helicopter, Amita, okay. Mr. Devan, we are fixing this matter on Tuesday. Release this matter for admission on Tuesday along with the records. Notice in this case was issued on 21/07/2017. Registry already received the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal Court, Kolkata, interim protection, interim bail, 21/07/2017. Rule. Appear before Superintendent of Police Border, Kolkata, on or before 7th, capturing her. She. Only for capturing her biometrics. Notice issued on 24/07/2017. Received the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal. Number 3, Mukalmo, Nolbari at Mukalmo. Interim protection, interim bail, 24/7/2017. Rule. Already. To appear before Superintendent of Police Border, Nolbari, on or before 7th, capturing cases. Notice issued on 15/9/2017. Reports received from Foreigners Tribunal 9th Borpeta. Interim protection, interim bail, 15/9/2017. Rule. Hearing. Appear before Superintendent of Police Border, Baksa, on or before 7th. Capturing her. Mr. Sharma and Ms. Verma, see the records are before us. Just intimate Superintendent of Police Borders, because since the records are not before them, they may not like to record the biometrics and anything. They will keep it for everyone. Notice issued on 15/9/2017. Records received from Foreigners Tribunal, Port Torong, Mongolway. It was called for on 15/9/2017. Interim protection, interim bail, 15/9/2017. Rule. Appear before Superintendent of Police Border, Torong at Mongolway, on or before 7 for capturing her. Line but premature male member. Notice issued on 15/9/2017. Foreigners Tribunal, Bongaigaon, number 2, Tokai. That was called for on 15/9. Interim protection, interim bail, 15/9. Rule, appear before Superintendent of Police border at Bongaigaon. On of capturing R. Notice that notice issued on 15/9/2017. The warrants received from Foreigners Tribunal number 8 for payment. Interim protection, interim bail, 15/9/2017. Rule hearing to appear before Superintendent of Police border. On or before B. Notice issued on 14/9/2007. Was received from Foreigners Tribunal number 9 that was called for by order at 14/9. Interim protection, interim bail, 14/9. Rule, appear before Superintendent of Police border to on or before 7 for capturing her biometrics. Notice issued in this case on 15/11/2017. Foreigners Tribunal second normal. Interim protection, interim bail, 15/11/2017. Rule, investigate. Police station supply. Case case. After sleep no করে নগাঁও বৰপেটা rule দিছে to appear before Superintendent of Police border Nagaon for capturing her Notice in this case was issued on 22/12/2017. Registered relevant records for the foreigners tribunal number 2 for interim protection, interim bail, 22/12/2017. Rule hearing API before Superintendent of Police Order for Serving Part 7. Notice issued on 29/01/2018. Record received from foreigners tribunal number 2. Nobody. At Mopalmon. That was called for order 29/01/2018. Interim protection, interim bail 29/0. API before Superintendent of Police Border Nolbert on of because capturing it. Notice issued on 29/01/2018. Records from the Foreigners Tribunal number 1 Nolbari. Interim protection, interim bail 29/01/2018. We have before Superintendent of Police Border Nolbari on of because capturing heart. Notice issued on 29/01/2018. Records received from Foreigners Tribunal, Port Valpara. That's called for by order 29/1. Interim protection, interim bail 29/01/2018. Rule hearing. Appear before Superintendent of Police Border Valpara on or before 7th of June. Capturing heart. Right. Notice issued on 29/01/2018. That's an unpistol for case to Foreigners Tribunal test proof first. Mr. Sharma, any idea village Dolabari will be in Tezpur or in Bishwanath? Under Tezpur. Interim protection, interim bail 29/01/2018. Report to us. Corona case in Bishwanath. Certificate. Rule hearing appear before Superintendent of Police Border Tezpur on or before 9 Pati Mahila. Notice was issued on 13/06/2018. Records received from the Foreigners Tribunal, Kamrup Metro number 2 Guwahati. Interim protection, interim bail 13/06/2018. Appear before Commissioner of Police, Border Guwahati. Capturing his savage. Notice in this case was issued on 22/05/2019. And the petitioner is an interim bail, interim protection and interim bail since then. Though by order dated 22/05/2019, the court called for the records of case number F.T.(C 634/2012 from the Foreigners Tribunal Second Morrigaon. Some, but the same is yet to be received from the said tribunal. Registry shall issue reminder for the records of said FT case noted above forthwith. Copy of this order. List on 10th of June. Copy of this order be furnished to Mr. G. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Home Department, for his onward communication to the Foreigners Tribunal Second Morrigaon, Assam, as well as the Superintendent of Police, Border, Morrigaon, or their necessary act. Notice in this case was issued on 18/3/2021. And since then, the petitioner is in protection and interim bail. The records of case number F.T.(2) -537/2006 was called for by order dated 18/03/2021 from the Foreigners Tribunal Second Mongol Road. But the same is yet to be received. Similar to the Agor order. The order was ultimately to final order to run out connected. This is what is the among the copy here. Mr. Sharma, do you have the copy of this petition? Just see at page number 13. And then come to page number 21. These are the final orders, not the orders that are annexed. Yesterday we pointed out to you. These are the main orders. Otherwise, other orders you will see that is when issued by the court master and the stenographer. That is not the order. We know that. No, yesterday we pointed out some of the orders, just the proceedings order. It is not the certified copy of the order. The proceedings orders are issued by the court master and signed by the concerned private secretary who noted down the order. But final order is always the short, the proceedings order is very short. In fact, the registers also have the same kind of order. But the final order is long. Somehow, I think it's couple of No, let the records come. On what ground it has been done, we'll see. Just a reminder for the records of FT2, case number F dot T dot two, numerical 2, huh? That's 537/2006. To the Foreigners Tribunal Second Mongoldoi, as well as Foreigners Tribunal Udalguri. Because the person is from Udalguri. Earlier it was considered by now, probably the record has been sent down to Udalguri. There is a direction to appear of the petitioner before the Superintendent of Police border Udalguri, not before Mongoldoi.
My lord, correct. His brother has been declared Indian by Udalguri tribunal.
So necessarily so has to be from that. Udalguri. Reminded. Copy of picture representation. For the Foreigners Tribunal number 2 Mongoldoi, as well as Foreigners Tribunal Udalguri and the Superintendent of Police border.
Deeply obliged.
This what we want is whether the petitioner applied for registration or not. That instruction you should get it. Now it is under you. You have passed that order last September. Pursuant to our order passed earlier on 29/09/2023. On the next date fixed, the petitioner submitted necessary application for registration of his name as required under Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955 before the special before the FRRO, Foreigners Registering Authority. FRRO from SP border Golaghat or not? And if so, when? List on. Give us a date. Give us a date, Mr. Sharma. 10th of June. For motion.
Obliged.
Okay.
By order dated 17/12/2019, the registry called for the records of F.T.L case number 69/2016 from the Foreigners Tribunal Nagaon, court number 7 at Lonka, Hojai. It is seen that The same is yet to be received. None appeared for the petitioner on call. Though names of 3 councils have been reflected in the cause list. It's a reminder to the Foreigners Tribunal, Nagaon Court number 7 at Longka Hotai for the relevant records of F.P.L case number 639/2016 that was disposed of on 15/03/2019. Copy of this order be issued to Mr. G. Sharma, Static Council, Home Department for a onward communication to the Foreigners Tribunal, and the Superintendent of Police Court list on 10th of June for motion. To motion bold করে দিও এর কোনো অ্যাডমিশনটা আছে নোট করতে দিয়েছি notice in this case was issued no by order dated 17/12/2019, the registry called for the relevant records from the Foreigners Tribunal 9th Gorpeta. And directed to release this matter for motion. Registry accordingly received the relevant records of the consequence. Release this matter for motion on 28 May.
42.
Notice in this case was issued on 31/08/2021. And since then, the petitioner is on interim protection and interim pay. Though by said order is the 31/08/2021, the registry called for the records